of the several trails at the Tortuguero Nature Reserve. It's free, no cost of admission, and it's the only, as I read, the only freshwater lake in Puerto Rico, home to several dozen species of birds. We've had a lot of lizards, small lizards scampering all around in the forest beside us. We saw a hummingbird. We've seen a few other, or heard a few other birds, and enjoying our hike on this trail. Wrapping up our hike, we've seen a lot of different types of plants. We've had ferns and palm trees, and now here we are. We're back closer to the water. We've got bamboo. And of course, I'm not a plant expert, so who knows what else we've seen, but it's just been interesting to see so many different things.